getting started on my first sleeve, and I wanted to show you this is going to be that little seam, the little underarm seam, and as soon as I have enough knitted on the sleeve, I clip that closed to keep it from stretching out too much while I'm knitting. These are our little claw clips. We have new ones that are actually made out of plant fiber. These are my old ones. Whatever you've got, something that's going to hold that closed so that as I'm pulling on that sleeve as I'm knitting it, it's keeping this from stretching out too much. And the other thing is I love magic loop for sleeves. If you like double points, you can do that. But I use magic loop and I pull the loops out on either side of the front and the back of the sleeve, not top and bottom. And that allows me to see my underarm beginning of round marker and make my decreases on either side of it. I'm just less likely to mess up if this is in the middle of a needle rather than at the top or bottom. And this is also where I'm gonna roughly make my color changes. So it's easier for me just to have that on a straight run there and then pull the loops out on either halfway up the front and halfway down the back. So there we are, going on the sleeves.